Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and innovative ideas for transforming your backyard into a modern oasis. Today, we have some creative and stunning ideas that will surely inspire you. So, let's dive in. The first feature we'll explore is creating a cozy outdoor sitting area. To achieve a modern look, consider incorporating sleek and minimalistic furniture with clean lines. Add some plush cushions in vibrant colors for a pop of personality. A fire pit in the center creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for gatherings with friends and family. Next, let's talk about adding a touch of nature with a vibrant garden area. Choose a variety of plants that thrive in your local climate. Combine tall ornamental grasses with flowering shrubs and potted plants for adding depth and texture. Consider creating raised beds or vertical gardens to maximize your space. Now let's move on the ultimate entertainment spot. The outdoor kitchen and dining area. Install a modern and functional kitchen setup with a sleek grill, a mini fridge, and ample countertop space. Pair it with a stylish dining set complete with comfortable sitting. Don't forget to include proper lighting to create an ambient and cozy atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. And we will upload more kitchen inspiring ideas, and also I was upload the video related to kitchen designing ideas and to be trending most of the design including in my video. So please go to visit her. Visit it. Okay, now for those who desire a serene and luxurious gateway, a poolside retreat is a must. Design a sleek and modern pool with clean lines and geometric shapes. Incorporate elegant water features and surrounding greenery to create a resort-like ambience. Complete the space with comfortable long umbrellas for ultimate relaxation. Lastly, let's not forget about the little worlds. A versatile area can be both functional and visually appealing. A play area. Incorporate elements like a mini playground or a sandbox or a small basketball court. Use vibrant colors and durable materials to ensure safety and longevity. You can even add a stylish pergola or shaded area to keep the kid protected from the sun. There's an extra feature in your backyard design ideas. And there you have it, creative and stunning ideas for a modern backyard design. Whether you are looking for a cozy retreat, an entertaining space, or a family-friendly environment, these features will surely inspire you to transform your own backyard. Remember to personalize the design based on your preferences and need. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing ideas. And as always, let us know in the comments below if you have any question or if there is a topic you had like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.